Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video it's going to be super simple. We're just going to use this eraser wheel here that I bought off Amazon, and we're going to get rid of the decals on the back. So stay tuned.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rumble?
Alright, like I said in that intro, we're going to use this eraser wheel I bought off Amazon. I paid $12.99 for it. We're going to use it and we're going to take the rear Subaru decal off the back of the car. At the end, I'm going to give you my final reviews on is this worth it or should you spend the money on the $50 3M eraser wheel compared to this $12.99 Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into the footage of me removing that decal. right, now that we've seen how this eraser wheel works or doesn't work, let me give you some final thoughts on it. So with this eraser wheel, I think it's great for large surface areas, larger decals, but as you can see in that footage, it left a lot of residue and it left some of the smaller 3M tape still on there. So what I ended up having to do is, once I went over with the eraser wheel and then had my kids clean it off with some detail spray, I went back through with some Goo Gone to clean up all the residuals that was left over there. Lastly, I went through with some polish from Turtle Wax, the polish, and I just used a microfiber cloth with my hand to hand polish it. You can still see the name Subaru on there, so I'm gonna have to go through with an automatic polish. So final thoughts on this eraser wheel. It got the job done, it worked. It wasn't as fast as I thought it would be, just because the way that the drill chuck screws into the eraser wheel, if you're using it, it's actually just gonna loosen up the wheel and the wheel's gonna fall off, as you guys can see. $12.99 versus $50 if you want the 3M wheel. I would probably still stick with the $12.99 just because I'd rather save some money and take a little bit longer, do a little bit more work than spend $50 on the same thing. And I'll link this in the description below too. But keep in mind, if you do end up buying this one, just know that I would probably go back over it with Goo Gone and then use a polisher. Don't hand polish, just to get the residue and any of the smaller pieces of tape that this left over. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.